Borneo is the third largest island in the world, located in Southeast Asia. It is shared by three countries: Malaysia. The northern part of Borneo is known as East Malaysia, comprising the states of Sabah and Sarawak, along with the federal territory of Labuan. Indonesia. The majority of Borneo belongs to Indonesia and is known as Kalimantan. Brunei. A small portion in the northwest is part of the Sultanate of Brunei. Borneo is famous for several reasons. Biodiversity. Borneo is renowned for its incredibly diverse flora and fauna. The island is home to unique and endangered species, including the Bornean orangutan, pygmy elephant, and various species of exotic birds and plants. Rainforests. Borneo houses one of the world's oldest rainforests, which is an essential part of the global ecosystem. The rainforests are rich in biodiversity and provide habitat for many endemic species. Mount Kinabalu. Located in the Malaysian state of Sabah, Mount Kinabalu is the highest peak in Southeast Asia. It is a popular destination for trekkers and nature enthusiasts, offering stunning landscapes and unique flora. Cultural diversity. Borneo is home to a diverse range of indigenous cultures and ethnic groups. Each region has its own traditions, languages, and customs, contributing to the cultural richness of the island. Adventure tourism. The island attracts adventure seekers with activities such as jungle trekking, river cruises, and exploring the vast cave systems, diving and snorkeling. Borneo's coastal areas, particularly around places like Sipadan and the Derawan Islands, are renowned for their pristine coral reefs, making it a popular destination for diving and snorkeling. Orangutans. Borneo is one of the few places in the world where you can find orangutans in their natural habitat. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these critically endangered primates. Cultural festivals. Various cultural festivals and events celebrate the traditions of the indigenous people on the island, providing visitors with an opportunity to experience the local way of life. Borneo's unique combination of biodiversity, natural beauty, and cultural richness makes it a significant and fascinating destination for travelers.